Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to talk about lesson 5 numerical patterns. Here Suka tells us it's called Suka. Tells us what? A numerical pattern is a list of numbers that follows a specific pattern. A list of numbers that follows a specific pattern. Here I have in the table length and perimeter. So length, here I have 1 for x, y the perimeter 4, x and y ordered pair, x and y 1 and 4. Here 2, 8, so the ordered pair will be 2, 8, and 3, 12, ordered pair will be 3, 12, 4, 16, 4, 16 the ordered pair. Here 4x and here 4y. X refers to length, y refers to perimeter, right? Okay, 520, 520, the same. When I say 1 to 4, 4 divided 1 equals 4. 2 to 8, 8 divided 2 equals 4. 3, 12, 12 divided 3 equals 4. 4, 16, 16 divided 4 equals 4. 5, 20, 20 divided 5 equals 4. So here I followed a specific pattern, as Suka tells us. The side length x form a numerical pattern 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The rule is starting at 1, add 1 each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. The perimeters y form a numerical pattern also. 4, 8, 12, 16. Here 4, 8, 12, 16. The rule here is starting at 4, then add 4 each time. There is a relationship between the two numerical patterns. The terms in the second pattern, which is the perimeter, is 4 times the corresponding terms in the first pattern. Side length. Moving to the next slide. Okay. Do you know that a calorie is a way of measuring the energy that people get from food or drink? A man needs about 2,500 calories a day, and a woman needs about 2,000 calories a day. Isra is eating pieces of nuts. Each piece contains 10 calories. The following table shows pieces in calories. Complete the table and find the rule of the pattern. I have here number of pieces and here the number of calories. 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces. For each 1 piece I have 10 calories. So 2 pieces, of course, 20, 3, 30, 4, 40. What should I do here? I multiply by 10. I multiply by 10 in each one. The rule is multiply the number of pieces by 10. Okay, step by step. Here I have complete. Okay, I will enlarge this for you. Okay, here complete x, y. I have here 1, 10, 1 piece for 10 calories. X here refers to the pieces and y refers to the calories. So 1 piece of nut give me 10 calories. Okay, here 2 pieces of nuts, 20. In this one I add 1 in each time. Plus 1 gives me 2, plus 1 gives me 3, plus 1 gives me 4. And here the rule, I multiply by 10 every time. 10 times 10, 20. Okay, and here, okay, 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10. I multiply 2 times 10 gives me 20. But here 10 plus 10 gives me 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. and this is my rule. Write in form x and y 1 to 10, 2 and 20, 3 and 30, 4 and 40. This is my table x and y. Very easy one. Find the rule of the pattern and complete the table. I have input, output, ordered pair. Input, output, ordered pair. 1, 6. So here I will write in the ordered pair 1 and 6. 2, 12, 2, 12. 3, 18, 3, 18. The rule here, okay, what should we do here in the rule? I multiply by 6. 1 times 6 give 1 times 6, 6. 2 times 6, 12. 3 times 6, 18. So the rule is to multiply by 6. Here I multiplied 1 times 6 equals 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. 3 times 6 equals 18. Moving to the other slide. Okay. Complete the tables for the given rule. Okay. Rule I have here, I have to look at the rule. Rule add 5 to the inputs. When I add 5 to 0, it will give me 5. So the ordered pair will be 0, 5. When I add to 1, 5, 1 plus 5 equals 6. 1, 6. When I add 5 to 2, it will give me 7. Okay, 2 and 7. If I add 5 to 3, will give me 8. So the answer 3 and 8. I have here another table. Rule multiply by 3. Check your rule. Okay, 2 times 3, 6. So 2 and 6. Here 3 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. I have here 12 and the rule is to multiply times 3. So what times 3 gives me 12? What times 3 gives me 12? And this is the missing. So 4 is the answer. 4. Okay. Multiply 3 times 5 equal 15. Very easy. Yes, I know. Discover the rule. Here he needs me to discover the rule and complete the table. Okay, here I have 1, 2. What happened to 1 to become 2? And then what happened to 2 to become 3? So here I recognize that I add 1 to each one. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So here 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. And you have to change this because it's wrong. Please write here 1 instead of 0. The rule here, 40 to 10, 36 to 9. What happened here in each time? 40 divided 4 equals 10. 36, and check again. 36 divided 9 divided 4 equals 9, right? 32 divided 4 equals 8. 28 divided 4 equals 7. And you have to check also. Here, complete the tables for the given rules. Here gives me the rules and needs me to check to complete my table. Okay, y is more than x. Y is 6, excuse me. Y is 6 more than x. So here 0 plus 6 gives me 6 because y is 6 more than x. 2 plus 6 gives me y, which is 8. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 6 plus 6, 12. 8 plus 6, 14. Here y, because he says that y is 6 more than x. Okay? Okay. Y is twice as many as x. So I will here add 2. 1 plus 2. Okay, there is a mistake here. Who recognized the mistake? Bravo, I can hear you. Miss, you said here more than and here twice. And twice in math is what? Multiply. Multiply. Excellent, excellent. Who recognized this mistake? So twice here, I make plus or times? Times, miss. Right. So here 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 2, 6. 4 times 2, 8. 5 times 2, 10. Bravo, my dear students. Okay. Problem solving. Okay. Here to the problem solving. Chase works in a bookshop. He earns $24 for working 3 hours per day. How much money does Chase earn if he works for 21 hours per week? So $24 for working on 3 hours. So what should I do here? I make $24, divided 3 hours. Then it will give me 8. It will give me $8 per 1 hour. And I need to know if I work 21 hours. So I will multiply the $8 times 21. So the answer will be $168 I can earn. Moving to the practice book. I know you don't have it now. It's okay. Complete the table using the given rules, the same as we have mentioned before. Rule y is 2 times. Yes, miss, plus or multiply. Excellent, multiply. Excellent, multiply. 1 multiplied by 2 will give me 2. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 2, 6. Bravo. Here, the rule is y is 6 more than. I can hear someone say multiply. No, it's plus. Excellent, it's plus. So what should I do, miss, here? 2 plus 6, 8. 4 plus 6, 10. 6 plus 6, 12. 8 plus 6, 14. And write the order pair here. Thank you, dear students, for hearing the conversation.